Hi, I'm Maria Friesen from Marvellous Feet, and I'm just about to do gel nail procedure with our Micro Air with dust extraction machine. So you can see that is easy and quicker by using a professional device. As we do have an option of using the vacuum and switch it off. I will show you first with without the vacuum, so you can see how much dust actually flying around, and that's what normally professional beauticians and their clients are breathing in. And then I will turn the vacuum on, so you can see how the dust gets collected by the handpiece and goes all the way to the dust bag. And obviously it's so much cleaner and hygienic. So let's start, so you can see how quick and easy that is. First, I'll trim the nails. Just watch how quick it goes. Machine is very powerful. By 40,000 RPM, you can do your work very quick and easy. Now watch when I turn the vacuum on. You can hardly see any dust. Watch how it sucks in. Now see again when I turn the vacuum off. You see how much dust actually flies around, and that's what you're breathing in. You can also see that we can take off the gel nail on the top of the nails by using the same bead. Now watch how quick it goes. And now we're using the vacuum. You can hardly see any dust. And once again, without the vacuum. You can see how much more dust. So now you just have seen how quick and easy it is to treat gel nails with professional machine. It is a pedicure machine, but it's a universal machine, so it can be used on gel, acrylic, manicure, just when you do the manicure, or pedicure. So yeah, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Subscribe to my newsletter so you can receive more helpful tips. In the future I'll be sharing more with you. This is just one of the benefits that this machine has to offer. I'm happy to help. I'm Maria from Marvellous Feet. Enjoy your day.